Hi, my name is Tajda, and many people are just like me and my team taking the bus to school and to work every day. And we know that the morning minutes are always very precious. You know you should wake up, but you keep telling yourself, oh, just a minute more, just a minute, and so you usually catch the bus in the last minute. But sometimes, as you're standing there at the station and the bus is just nowhere to be seen, you're wondering, did I come too late, or does the bus simply have a delay? Now imagine you have an application called MyBus. The first thing you see when you open the application is a search box where you type in the destination you want to go to, and the application also memorizes your choices. So below the search box you have a list of your favorite destinations. For example, we choose Novo mesto. Now another search box opens up, and here you write the bus route, and also here the application submits your choices. So you have your favorites down here, which is usually Now the application shows you a map with all the buses that are coming to your station right now. You can see the exact location of every single bus, but in our case there's only one bus going to this direction. You can also see how far away the bus is from your final destination, from your home, and also how far away is it from you, so from your location at the moment. It also tells you when the bus will arrive to your station and how many stops you will have to make in this time. So in our case, the bus will arrive in 4 minutes, and in this time it will still have to make 2 stops. And because every project must have some profit, we would make money by advertising the companies that would like to promote their shops and offices. The ads would show up when the bus would drive by a company that paid for the ad. And the application is meant for everyone that at least sometimes takes the bus. After the research, we found out that our potential buyers would be mostly students who take the bus to school and to work every day. And because the buses are not the only public transportation, a similar version called My Train will be also made for everyone that takes the train instead.
You're late.
For this to work, the buses would need to have like GPS or something.
Yes.
Do you know if they already have it or?
They have a similar thing in Ljubljana, but we would be better because we'd make an application for the whole Slovenia. It would combine both city and local transport, so we would have like all the cities in one application.
Yeah, but I mean you'd have to connect to like a river or something and convince them to install GPSs into their buses. So
Yes.
that they could. How would you convince them that they're gonna make profit that way? Because GPSs are not that cheap and they don't need them to drive around and stuff.
Yeah, but the customers would be, so the people who drive the bus would be more happier, and I think that's something with your flights and with your, yeah.
That's it? Great. Thank you.